kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a little bit of everything in this video. A little bit of cleaning, a little bit of decorating. I'm also going to be picking up a hutch that, well, I was supposed to be picking up the hutch, but it actually did not fit in my car. So the sweet lady, she offered to deliver it on Saturday for me. So you guys will definitely get to see that hutch. I am so excited about it. But I am going to be doing a little bit of everything. I'm going to be doing some decorating in the dining room and cleaning all over the house, and of course laundry. So I want you guys to throw me up on your television screen or wherever you are watching me from, and let's get motivated together and inspired together to tackle some of our chores for this week and just get our homes in a peaceful and clean mode. So if you are new here and visiting us for the first time, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor, seasonal decor, lifestyle vlogs, and definitely cleaning motivation. So if that's something you are interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing by hitting that red button down below. It is always free. Also, double tap that bell for new notifications. Introduce yourself to me in the comment section and let me know where you are watching from. Okay, guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with this cleaning.
You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, to just call on me to get you, don't forget to just call on me to get you, don't forget to get you, to get you, don't forget to just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, swear that I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, I'll be there. I'll be there. Call me, baby, swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you, to just call on me to get you, to just call on me to get you, to get you, to get you, to just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me. Just let me know when I will be. Just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just let me know when I will be. Just call on me.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence need to hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away.
So this box that you guys see here in the foyer is actually my patio set, a part of my patio set furniture. And I was going to put it together in this video, but I just did not get to it. So you'll see it in the next video. But I ordered this patio set, you guys, from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. But it's so miniature. I feel like it's made for kids. We sit on it comfortably. It's very comfortable, but it's super, super tiny. So I don't know. Anyway, once we put it together and you guys get to see the patio makeover, you know, let me know what you guys think about this patio set, because I absolutely love it, but it's so miniature. So we are now in the dining room, and as you know, pieces are coming in, you know, one by one. And this was one of the pieces that came in last week, and it's a blanket ladder, but I'm actually going to be using it in the dining room for my table runners. And this picture right here is my husband's grandmother, my kid's great-grandmother. She passed away a few years ago, and I just kind of wanted to have it, you know, up in the dining room and kind of just put some more family photos around and, you know, let our home be representative of our families and our friends and just feel like a home, because I feel like I don't have too many photos around of our family. And so I just wanted to go ahead and start adding those pieces, but with like vintage frames and everything. You know, my style is a modern farmhouse or modern European farmhouse style, with like a vintage touch, a traditional touch. And so I wanted to do that and just add some vintage frames. This curtain I got from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. I will definitely link it down below for you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it feels, y'all, so soft. It's like butter. It feels super soft. So I'm going to go ahead and hang these curtains up. Yes, I know it was scary. I was standing on the windowsill, and I was hoping and praying that I didn't slip and fall. But I'm going to go ahead and hang up these curtains. And y'all, I'm almost done with this dining room. Soon you guys are going to get to see a full tour of it. We have one more video to do before I do a tour, and that's going to be coming up soon. So I am super excited about it, and I hope that you guys are too.
We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face it another day. We go bottoms up. So shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face it another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up. Bottoms up.
So hey guys, I am taking a little break from all the cleaning and decorating because we are on our way to go pick up a so beautiful, you guys. And it was originally $50, but I talked her down to $40. So we're on our way now to go get it, and I can't wait. I can't wait to see it in person. It is so gorgeous. So taking you guys along with us so that Hubster is in the car. Say hi, Hubster.
Hi, Hubster. I mean, hi, guys.
So we're headed out. Don't worry, I'm not driving while I'm talking to you guys.
Yes, she is.
I'm at a stoplight. I'm at a stoplight. So we're headed there now. So come on along with us, and we'll take you to go pick up this hutch. So now we are in my kitchen, and it is ahotmess.com. Oh my gosh, I don't know, my kitchen, yeah, okay, well, y'all understand. Y'all have kids, you understand. We just did not get to anything. We were also tired yesterday, and I went to get my hair done, and the kids were with me. My husband went off to work, and by the time we got back home, it was just like we were done, and nothing got done. No dishes or anything, and my kitchen was a whole hot mess, and the dishes that was in the dishwasher did not get cleaned, all of them, and I'm just tired of this dishwasher, and I'm over it. But we are now in my kitchen and getting it all cleaned up and beautified. In terms of the hutch, you guys, I was not able to get the hutch because it could not fit in my car. And so the owner of the hutch, she offered to deliver it to my home tomorrow or Saturday, she said. So I'm so grateful for that. And I cannot wait for you guys to see this hutch. It is absolutely gorgeous, okay? And I'm contemplating painting it. But it's in like this beautiful pine wood finish. And it has like knots, like the knotty pine. So it's really a beautiful piece. But I just don't know if I'm going to be able to look at the knotty pine for forever, So when you guys see it, you'll see it and you'll know what I'm talking about. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And I cannot wait for it to get here. It's going into my foyer, and I am super excited about it. So let's go ahead and get this kitchen all cleaned up.
I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! You.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
So I had no idea my husband was in the video and doing what he was doing. He actually told me afterwards, he's like, can you take that out? I was like, I'm not taking it out. They gonna see what a goofball you are. But he is always just like, always, y'all, it's this, can't even get it out. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, man, why are they always on? Like, y'all understand what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna just leave it right there. They're always on. So yeah, that's what we were talking about. But anyway, he just was trying to make the video fun, I guess. And I actually love when he's in the videos because he gives like a side of funny and goofiness to the video that you guys otherwise don't see. So it's just hilarious to me. And now I am finishing up this load and kind of just switching from the washer to the dryer and taking the dryer stuff out. And y'all know how it goes with laundry. So I am finishing up here, and I will definitely be continuing this video. In the next video, you're going to see me putting up my patio set, and I'm also going to be doing like an organizational closet clean out because my linen closet is atrocious. It's just a hot mess. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and you know, that you enjoyed spending this time with me. I am so grateful that you guys are here. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.